You can ask the remote to launch any app that you want. To use voice control on most devices, you hold the microphone button till it beeps or indicates it hears you somehow. Say what you want to say and then release. For example, watch Fubo TV.
Okay.
If this is the first time you're setting up your device, you got to sign in. The easiest way to do this is to go on your cell phone, open up a browser, go to FuboTV/connect as you see on the screen, enter the code, and sign into your Fubo account. Also, give this video a free like and hit the subscribe button. Help us grow this channel. After you get all signed in and create any profiles that you're going to create, it's going to give you some questions that I usually just ignore. So you just go down and hit continue, and then continue again. When the home screen loads up, first thing you'll see is all the locals down at the bottom. If you rearrange your favorites, I have a video on that also, and those will show up in order down here, first thing you see. If you want more of a guide, click the up button on the remote, go to guide, and scroll till you find your channel. Unfortunately, on Fubo, you can't just say watch CBS or ABC or NBC on Fubo TV. That's one of the drawbacks. So you have to ask it to watch Fubo TV and then select the channels manually. Other than that, it's my favorite streaming app. I'll post an affiliate link down below for anybody interested in a free trial. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and stay safe.